Hey everybody, it is Ryan. I'm gonna give you an overview of these sweet little low voltage wire connectors. Why? Well, because I have right here a landscape light. Right here. This thing is actually pretty sweet. It's like metal, like solid metal. Very cool. So how do you connect this to your main power supply? Well, this little thing is really cool. Looks like this. This piece goes right in here. So to connect this to look like this part you just unscrew. You take your end that you've already kind of threaded. Let's just do this. Let's do about ½ an inch. It says ½ inch, but we're just gonna tuck that in there right till it's just right there. All right. Then we're gonna push that in and we're gonna spin it. We're gonna hold that in there, and then we're gonna spin this down, and it's going to lock. I don't even know how it gets it in there. And then it's gonna lock it in. So then this part right here, if you can see, there's these little pins right here and right here, and they're long enough. Sometimes they're not long enough. This is long enough. It's to a point. It's not like a blade. The blade ones, if you know what I'm talking about, I'm not a big fan of those. So this is the point. So you're gonna take your main line and you're gonna lay it between here, poke to here and here, and then you're just gonna take this end and you're gonna screw it down, just like this. Let's install one of these on an actual line. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our main line right here. We're gonna take a blade and we're gonna split it apart so they're individual. So here. So we're gonna do this. So now we have them separated. Then we're gonna take this, take the tops off. We're gonna do one line like this. Push it in there like that. So you can put it in there like that. We're gonna screw the top down. So your final product's gonna look like this. The final install. So you get your wires going in, those pins puncture the wire, the screw locks it down in, and it's not going anywhere. And lo and behold, we have some light. Pretty cool. So then you just kind of figure out where you want your light, you're good to go.